Yázhí, and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. So today's Navajo Word of the Day is going to be 2012. So to say 2012, you would say naakits'áadah naakits'áadah. Again, that's naakits'áadah naakits'áadah. So to use it in a sentence, you could say Naakits'áadahgóó Yihah, which means the year is 2012. And sorry, I know I've been kind of out of the loop on the Navajo language lessons that I was doing earlier. I was just playing with some software, playing with different cameras, trying to figure out what the best way to do these videos are. And I think I found the best format. And I think this sounds clear. This sounds like a clear video. The video captions look good. So I'm going to start resuming the Navajo language instructions that I was doing, beginning with ashle and unle, and we're going to go through all those again. And then we're going to continue with all the different ways I told you, like email ashla, or sorry, text ashle, and we'll go into different ways you can change that up to make you sound more fluent in Navajo. So sorry, I've been kind of out of the loop about the lessons, but I plan to get back into those. We're going to start very, very soon, but I want to at least give you two more, maybe 1 or 2 more days of just one Navajo word of the day. And for today, it was 2012. Naakits'áadah. Again, that's naakits'áadah, and that's 2012, and that's today's Navajo word of the day. Yihah, and have a nice day.